to me, we have to see China differently. The old days of big commodity boom is gone. Going forward is more selective, and in terms of how we tap the opportunity from China, we need to observe about the sectoral transition or the industrial transitioning towards more tech-related, and also China becoming a low-yielding economy. China is a big exporter of financial capital. How can we tap the liquidity advantage from Chinese investors is also another area that we need to keep an eye on. It's good to have a dialogue, the face-to-face discussion between the two countries in terms of economic tie that the China-Australia Free Trade Agreement still enforced it. I think both sides want to extend it and continue to observe this chapter as the backbone, for both countries to support free trade. Now, of course, there's always some geopolitical consideration. At the same time, the economic transition of China towards less poverty or infrastructure-led or infrastructure-driven economy may have some implication to certain sectors, the resources sector for China. But at the same time, if China is moving towards more a tech-driven economy, the supply chain does require some inputs like critical minerals and even the technology input. That is something China will need and import from Australia. Even in terms of iron ore, the traditional resources export from Australia, then China continue to develop itself. We'll still have some sustainable buying demand from the quality input from the rest of the world, and Australian natural resources in terms of the quality level is very competitive. So I believe that this will still be supporting the resources export.